There's this thing that I saw how to like pump a ball with the microwave, like a microwave. So I tried to put my soccer ball. And get it. It has like no air. I tried it and it got full, but then it went back down. So I think it's because it has like this little hole in the ball. So I have an extra ball up there. And the ball. Yeah, I had to say like that. Six or 7. But yeah, I actually tried it. It worked for a while. So I'll try to make a video tomorrow of me doing that. Tomorrow is Tuesday.